Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are making sheet tray steak fajitas. I love fajitas. My husband and my kids love them as well. You could either serve them pre-made or you could do a buffet style and let everyone choose their own toppings. So I decided to show you guys this recipe today to let you know how easy, simple, healthy, mess-free it is. Everything goes into this sheet pan and you're done. You ready to get started? You'll need 1.5 pounds of steak. Today we're using round steak. If you prefer a different cut, you can most definitely head over to your Price Chopper meat department and grab that. You'll also need 2 cloves of garlic, 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil, 1.5 tablespoons of Mexican seasoning, and here I just have in there some cumin, garlic powder, black pepper, and some chili powder, 1 medium onion sliced thin, 2 red or yellow bell peppers sliced thin, 2 medium carrots, and I have cut them ribbon style with the potato peeler, 1 jalapeno, 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and some tortillas here for when you get ready to serve. Before you start your oven, you will want to make sure that your racks are in the center. Once you do that, you can preheat your oven to 475. Once the oven is preheated and ready, you can slide in your sheet tray and you'll want to leave it in there for 10 minutes. The reason why is because you want this pan to be hot when you put the vegetables and the meat on there, which helps to start up the cooking process. In the meantime, we're going to make our marinades and get our vegetables ready to go. And you're just going to whisk this together. In a larger bowl, you're going to put in your veggies. You're going to add 2/3 cup of the oil mixture that we made, and then the rest will go on our meat. All right, give it a quick toss, and we're ready to put this on our sheet pan. We poured our vegetables onto our sheet tray. I've spreading them out, and you're gonna roast these for 8 minutes. So while our veggies are in the oven, we're gonna take that same bowl, add our steak and the remaining oil mixture, get it all mixed together good so that it's ready to go to the other side of the sheet tray when the veggies are done. So to prepare your meat, you'll want to cut it against the grain. You're just going to go the opposite direction that the grain goes on that steak, okay? You'll want to do this so that the meat is not stringy. It can tend to be chewy and a little tough if you cut with the grain. If you don't know where the grain is, you'll look at your steak and you'll just see the way that the lines are going. That is the line of the grain. So again, cut against it. In that same bowl, you're gonna add your steak in and the remainder of your oil mixture. All right, I'm pushing these to the side to make room for our steak. And let's get it added. And I'm just kind of gonna spread them out just a little bit so that they can kind of cook evenly. That wasn't too hard, was it? Grab your favorite toppings and let's get to serving. You can serve this recipe with rice or beans or just simply by itself. Let me know what you think about it and how you prepared it in the comments below. Thank you again for joining me in my kitchen, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.